Understanding comes before investment. It's shocking to see young people investing in opportunities they don't understand. Some will tell you that they will try to understand the investment option as time passes. This is one of the most deadly mistakes that you can ever make. If you want to be a successful investor, never invest in anything you cannot comprehend. There is always a segment of investing known as research. For instance, if you are investing in a company, you have to do your research. What does the company do? Do they have a competitive advantage? Are they in any form of debt? How feasible is it that they will be able to pay back? All these should be included in your research questions. Like, share and comment. Visit our YouTube channel Success with Antoaneta and our website to learn more. Sign up for our online seminars and get this book, Not Just a Cleaner, by clicking the links below.